With this platform you guys are seeing here, you can make money with your Facebook account, with your TikTok account, with your Instagram account. In fact, with all your social media account, you can make money with it with this platform you are seeing right here. In fact, even your website or your Telegram app, you can use it to make money on this platform. Now, when you look at the platform here, it says monetize every audience type. No matter what audience and what or mobile traffic you want to monetize, we are ready to meet up. We are ready to meet your expectation for outstanding balance between revenue experience for your users. As you can see, it says start earning. You are going to see Telegram mining app, website, email, social media traffic, and so much more. It means that this platform you are seeing right here will help you make massive money for yourself every day with those traffic you are getting from your Facebook account, from your TikTok account, for your Instagram account, even from your website or from your app. You can use it to make money from this platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this platform you are seeing right here and be making massive money for yourself with your social media account like Facebook and TikTok. You can use those traffic and make money. And you don't need anything like capital or investment. Everything is going to be done free. You don't need any money to get started. And in the platform, you can withdraw as low as $5. If you have up to $5 on your account, you can withdraw it from the platform. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip a part, you may miss some things about this platform. So don't skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, I am Nupeflaver TV. In this channel, we teach you how you can make massive income with your smartphone or with your laptop, and also how you can grow your business. So if that sounds so interesting to you, and today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you guys how this platform works, how you can register on the platform, and also how you can be using your social media account like Facebook, TikTok, and any of your social media account, even your website, and be making money in this platform. And to do this, all you have to do is to head over to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You are going to see the link of this platform. Now, I'll be leaving down the link to this platform on my Telegram channel or the description of this video. So when you join my Telegram channel, you are going to see the link of this platform. Now, when you click on the link, it is going to bring you to an interface like this. And to get started, all you have to do is to click on Start Earning. Now, when you click on Start Earning, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you will register. So I'm going to show you how you are going to register and also how you are going to use the platform. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to click on create with email, or you can click on continue with Google. So I'll be creating new account right now and show you guys how this works. Now, I just successfully registered new account, and this is what it showed me. As you can see, it says, dear partner, you have just started monetizing traffic with Monetag. Congratulations. To make sure we are on the same page, please take a look at our policy. You can check their policy rule that you have agreed to. So you can check their policy. Now, as you can see, this is their source, and this is where you are going to start making money. This is their statistic. As you can see, you can select your ads and everything. Now, for you to be able to make money from this platform, you need a smart link. And this smart link is the one that will help you to make money from the platform. You are going to copy your smart link. After you copy your smart link, if you have a website, you are going to put it on your article, so that when people are reading your article and they see it, they tap on it, you are going to be making money from it. Immediately people tap on it, is going to take them to where they are going to see ads, and when those people see it, you are going to be making money. And the most amazing part about this platform is that the more people are clicking on it, the more money you'll be making. Like even on your Facebook account or your Telegram or any of your TikTok, you are going to also get the smart link. And after you get the smart link, all you just have to do is just to place it on your content. You can place it on your content, you can place it on your bio, you can place it those places. And when you place it there, when people read through it and they tap on it, you are going to be making money for yourself. So this is how this platform works. Now, when you come to this interface, when you click on this three dots here, you are going to see site, Telegram app, you are going to see direct link, you are going to see payment, you are going to see insert, you are going to see referral program, and so much more. Now, when you click on site, that is if you have a website and you want to add your own website, all you just have to do is just to click on add website, and when you click on add website, it's going to ask for your website URL. Everything is going to ask for it, and you provide it and you get started. Now when you click on the three dots again and you click on Telegram mining apps, that means if you have a Telegram mining app, you have a app, you are going to put the app here and you are going to click add and continue, and you are going to continue that also. Now if you have a social media account, all you have to do is just to click on direct link here, and when you click on direct link, you are going to click on copy link, and when you copy this link, this is your link, you can click on add direct link. When you click on add direct link, you can also generate your own personal link again. Now when you click on add link here, as you can see, say direct link successful added. Now as you can see, you have two unique link here. You have two unique link. Now this is the first one, this is the second one. You can copy any of it. Now when you click on copy like this, you can now copy this link, and this link you just copy right now. You can go to your website. If you are the kind of people who is using website, you can put this at your article, you can paste it there. If you are using website, you understand what I'm saying. But if you are using like Facebook or TikTok or all these things, you can just copy this link and paste it on your content. Maybe if you are writing post, you can put it on your post, and when people see it and they click on it, you are going to be making money from it. And the more people clicking on it, the more money you'll be making. The more people click on it, the more money you'll be making. Now when you click on that three dots again, it will bring you to an interface like this, where you click on payment. Now this is where you are going to be seeing all your money. As you can see, this is how you are going to see all your money, and you can withdraw your money through cryptocurrency, that is USDT times 20, all these crypto things. You can also withdraw your money through PayPal. You can also withdraw your money through Script. You can also withdraw your money through Payoneer. So if you have any of this account, you can use it. If you need a video on how you can get all those accounts, I have those videos on my Telegram, on my YouTube channel here. You can go and check out those videos, and you are going to see how everything work. When you check those videos, you are going to see how you can get started and get all this payment information. So you can get everything. So now when you click on the three dots again, when you click on Insight, this is where you are going to be seeing your statistic, everything. Now let's go back. When you click on referral program, this is where you are also going to get your referral link, which if you share with your friends and your friends register on the platform, you also be getting some commission. Now let's go back to the statistic. When you go back to statistic, this is where you are going to see all your statistics, everything. You are going to be seeing it here. Now all you just have to do, you can select and your source, everything, your country, you can select everything and set everything well. So this is how this platform work, that you can be using it to make money from the traffic you are getting from your Facebook, TikTok, and other social media accounts. When you click on this icon here, you are going to see your levels, your profile settings, your payment option. Click on your add, you can add your website, everything. You are going to see it. So this is how this platform work, that you'll be using it to make money for yourself. If you are using Facebook, you have a Facebook or any of your social media account, you can just copy the direct link here, which is called their smart link. All you just have to do is just to click on direct link and you copy the link. And when you copy the link, any of the link here, you just copy it and you put it on your right top. On your right top, you just find a place and you place it. And when people click on it, you'll be making money. You can also put it on your bio or anywhere. When people click on it, you'll be making money from it. That is how you can be using this platform and you'll be making money. You can read through everything about this platform. As you can see how their smart link works, you can read through and get it know better. As you can see how to turn Facebook into a profit. As you can see how much CPM turn tilt, all these things. Even your Twitter, you can use this. You can read through and know more detail about this platform. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do where to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.